Hello engineers, there's a recruitment update by BMRCL, Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited. They have released the notification for the contractual recruitment for civil engineers. A total of 35 vacancies are released, and for this post, all the graduate civil engineers are eligible. The upper age limit for this post is 35 years, and the total number of posts released are also 35. Essential qualification required is BE BTech degree in civil engineering, and the very important thing is you require a valid gate score with minimum of 60 percentile. Along with you require first class degree in civil engineering. So these two are the essential requirements for this particular post. The consolidated pay of 44,000 per month will be provided to you if you are selected. The selection of this post will be made completely through the gate score. Means you have to send your gate score to this particular organization along with the documents and the filled application form, and based on your gate score the merit will be prepared and the final selection will be only through the gate score. How you need to apply? You need to visit the official website of BMRCL. Then you have to fill up the application form. After filling the application form, you have to take the printout of that application form and you have to attach the required documents in support of your qualification, your date of birth, all those things. And if you belong to any category, then those certificates will also be required. This set of documents you have to send to this particular address. The last date of the receipt of online application is 3rd of May, and the last date for submitting the signed printout with supporting document is 7th of May. You have to send these documents to this address: the General Manager HR, Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited, 3rd floor, BMTC Complex, KH Road, Shantinagar, Bangalore 560027. Okay. So after doing the online application, do not forget to send your documents to this particular address. Okay. So I hope this information finds you well. If you have liked the information, don't forget it to share with your friends. Thank you for watching.